Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an auto-grading Google form using an add-on called Flubaroo. So for this example, I'm going to use a fun little form I created and I've used in some of my Flex courses with just some funny questions about myself. And I've already had a lot of people fill out this form, so let's take a look at how we get it to be automatically graded. So if I go into the Edit Form view, I can go and view my responses. And you can see this is quite overwhelming looking at all of this here. I could use my summary of responses to get a feel for how people answered, but I want to take this a step further. I want it to actually grade it for me. So the Flubaroo add-on must be installed and run through the response spreadsheet. It's a common mistake a lot of people make when they first start looking for this particular add-on. So make sure that you're in the response spreadsheet and that you've installed the add-on. I already have, so I have Flubaroo here, and I'm going to choose to grade the assignment. So a new menu opens up, and the first step is to just take a look at the questions and decide how many points you want them to be worth. I actually password protected this form, which is something you can learn how to do in a different video, but I don't want that to be worth any points. So I'm going to skip grading that question. And it's nice because it automatically recognizes that this is a question that's just identifying the student. And let's leave these all worth 1 point for now. I click continue. It brings me to step 2. And the trick to this is that you want to take the form first and use your answers as the answer key. So you can see I was the first one to take this form, and I'm going to select that as a submission to use as my answer key. You could take a gamble and just rely on that one kid that always gets everything right, but I would definitely recommend that you take it yourself, and it doesn't necessarily have to be first, that you take it and then you select your submission as the answer key. We hit continue, and now it's going to grade my assignment. And it's going to do that in a new sheet within your response spreadsheet, and it's going to let you know that the grading has been completed. Well, let's take a look at how it is here. So we have the names and we can see how everyone scored. And what's nice is that it's automatically going to highlight the questions that your students had trouble with, orange for you. So at a glance, you can see what you need to do some work on. We could also copy and paste this right into Gradebook. So you can see this can be an amazing time saver for you as you're assessing your students' work. Hope you found this useful.